This weekend, we are celebrating the 250th anniversary of the Act of Renunciation, which was Rhode Island breaking away from the English king.
We declared our independence from England 2 months before everybody else did.
Rhode Island Declaration of Independence from May 1776. We just assumed that it just happened, but it's important to realize that people actually made it happen, right? People had to make decisions, and these were people that were putting their lives on the line, frankly, because they were rebelling against their government.
It has its own personality, it has its own history, it has its own importance in the formation of our country.
What's unique about us as Americans, that we are rebels and we like to do things our own way, and we believe in justice and fairness, and we're just not going to put up with it. And that's such a great quality about us, and I think it's still very much relevant today.
Freedom of beliefs, and come from different backgrounds, and all play a role in community and creating our state.
We're just proud to be holding on to the legacy and hopefully passing it on to future generations. It's kind of like, why do we celebrate birthdays? You cherish milestones because they kind of give you a chance to remind yourself what your forebears have done for you to get you to this point, and we don't want to lose that. It's very fragile. Rhode Island is powerful.